I'm the uneducated man. This is Jess with Honey Island Kayak Tours, and today we're going to do an uneducated experiment.
It's alive! It's alive!
So here is a beautiful silver plate that I found at a resale shop recently, and I had seen these YouTube videos where you can clean them with baking soda and aluminum foil, so I wanted to try it. Beautiful tarnished piece here. I wish I knew how old it was, no markings, but I got it for $8. So I got a pan from the dollar store for $1. Baking soda for 60 cents. Some aluminum foil that I already had. And about 15 glasses of water. First, what I did is I lined the pan with the shiny side of the foil up. Put the silver in the pan. Started boiling the water.
A few moments later.
Pouring the hot water in, not quite boiling, but super hot. Wanted to make sure that I had the water level above the pan line. And added the baking soda.
Here goes some time lapse from the GoPro. This is condensing about 10 minutes worth of footage into this little shot.
I love how you can see it clearing up already, like it's turning silver super fast. Like the chemical reaction was almost immediate. Alright, so here it is, just taking it out. Still got a little tarnish on there. Just way more super reflective now. So what I wanted to do is clean it with a micro cloth, something you would get with your sunglasses or your camera lenses, and you can see that it is really shining it up a lot more than it originally had. Mike suggested that I use a little bit of water while wiping it down, and it is super shiny now.
20 minutes later.
Looking good.
Got a little before and after action here.
My beautiful face reflecting in our shiny silver that we have now.
Nice.
If you want to see more of Honey Island Kayak Tours, I'll have the description in the link for the Instagram, Facebook, and for the site. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit a strong right cross to that like and subscribe button.